Hey everyone, I'm WYGO Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. Looky what I finally got. Yes, if you are new, welcome. This here is the Allure beauty box. It retails for $25 a month. You are guaranteed to get 6+ products, 3 of which will be full size. And every now and again, we get to select either the product or the shade. And I think this month is a month where we got to select one of the product shades. All right. It does come with a booklet which will have information on the products and will list the full size prices. All right, first item, what do we have here? Let's hold it up properly. This here is from Skin Inc. and it's a pure Deepsea hydrating mask. This here is 30 ml or 1 fluid ounce. Ooh. It's a really pretty soft kind of grayish lilac purple. Are you safety sealed? Yes, safety sealed. I am not going to open it because I have a lot of products going right now. But I will let you know the price. No, shut up. This retails for $85? What? Okay, well, it's a clear gel mask. Oh, no, oh, okay. It was like, let it sit for 30 minutes. I'm like, I'm lazy. Or overnight. Okay, to me, that's just a night cream. Well, okay, $85. So for a $25 box, we've already gotten 3 times the value of this box with one product. That is crazy insane. All right, next product. What are you? Very interesting. So this is MEGABABE Daily Deodorant. No aluminum, clear and clean in Rosy Pits. Oh, please don't smell like rose. Okay, there's a little plastic thingy. Yes? No? I think. Alright, I'm not gonna... I don't know what's going on there. I was trying to see if I could lift that up to, because I'm kind of smelling rose, but I have a feeling whatever is protecting this is making it so I can't smell the rose 100%. Okay, I think if you get this, just kind of slightly turn it, even though it's not screwed on. All right, let's see. All right, goodish news. It does not really smell like rose. I can pick up ever so slightly underneath other stuff, and it's a very soft scent of everything, so not horrible, but not my favorite type of scent. I like those powdery kind of secrets, degrees of the world, if you catch my drift. But let's see what this bad boy retails for. Compared to the last product, not too shabby at $14. Compared to what I personally will spend on a deodorant, she's bougie, pricey. All right, next product. What is this? Why is everything white today? You can't see it with my lighting. Okay, so this is from OLAPLEX, and it's the number 9 Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. All right, I'm going straight to the book because, yeah, you can't tell with my short, scruffy hairdo. Yeah, I don't even know what a hair serum, how you apply that. Is it like a hair mask? Hold on. All right, so it says that you smooth it over damp, towel-dried hair from the mid-length to the ends, then run what's left on your fingers over roots. Wait, so that mean is it leave-in? The full size retails for $30 for 90 ml, and we got a 20 ml sample. All right, next product. Oh, I thought they put the same one in there. No, I guess we got something else from OLAPLEX. This here is the number 6, which is a bond smoother, a leave-in styling treatment. Yeah, if you're new, just because I have short hair, I'm not into fancy hair care products because I get my hair cut every 6 to 8 weeks, and yeah, there's no damage, nothing going on here. All right, number 6, what does it say? Finger comb this formula through damp hair, focusing on the mid-lengths to ends, then run what's left through your hands over root. Okay, so the same instructions. Wait, so what's the difference between a bond smoother and a Nourishing hair serum. And can you use both at the same time? What? For those of you girlies with really nice, lovely hair who are into the hair care, please explain to me how I would use these. Do you use them at the same time or do you alternate? All right, next product. What is this? Oh, 3 ships. I don't know why I said ooh. Never heard of this brand. And these are dewdrops. What? Mushroom plus Kakadu Plum Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Oh, okay. Dewdrop. For some reason, I thought it might be a lip product. I have a feeling it's just like a face serum. This box, I'm having to reference my booklet way more than I thought I would. All right, so this is a brightening, hydrating serum that you can easily layer into your skincare routine. It's just a serum. Full size retails for $37 for 30 ml, and we got a 7 ml sample. All right, the last product, yes, this is the one where we got to select our shade. This is from Merit, and it's the Beauty Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. What shade did I get this in? It's been so long, I can't remember. I have a feeling, hopefully I selected a good shade. Knowing me, I did not. The pictures always get me. All right, so this is in the shade Jete or Jete. That tells me nothing. So let's take her out of the box. Ooh, okay. So it's a little more orangey peachy, and I think I'm now remembering, like the pink looked too red, but maybe it's I don't know. Does not seem to have a scent. Ooh. Okay. So I don't know. Can you see it? I always put swatches in weird spots. All right. She is lighter than she looks in the bottle, so that's a good thing. It is peachy, but with a pink undertone. I'm wearing like brown, so I don't know if this is gonna show up or not. No, not really. All right, so I'm gonna do a separate try on, or I will use it in an upcoming video. All right, so let's just recap everything I got in the February 2025 Allure Beauty Box. I got a sample of the 3 Ships Dewdrops Hyaluronic Acid Serum, the MEGABABE Daily Deodorant, a sample of the OLAPLEX No. 6 Bond Smoother, a sample of the OLAPLEX No. 9 Bond Protector, the Skin Inc. Pure Deepsea Hydrating Overnight Mask, and the Merit Beauty Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, for a $25 box, this was really good. I forgot to mention that the Merit Lip Oil retails for $24. So basically this one product where you got to select your shade paid for the box. And then we got this obscenely bougie $85 face mask. So if you're into skincare, this box is really, really good. Just because I have short hair, these hair products just not my personal jam. I always will use serums, so I'm not mad at that. This one I'll have to give a try. I don't know, I'm used to the powdery formulas, but it is a stick and not a spray, so we shall see. But now I want to hear from you. Do you get this box? Have you been considering getting the box? If you are planning on getting the box, no pressure, but if you are looking to save some money, I do have a friend referral code in my description box. But for those of you who do get this box, what did you think of this month's box? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.